36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there will be no walking around, in and out of the camera, sleeping, talking, eating, smoking, or driving. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Kristen Russ, ticket number U6292852, count 1, disorderly conduct. Good morning, please state your names for the record.
Good morning, my name is Kristen Russ.
All right, this was a 3-month delayed sentence. It looks like Ms. Russ has complied with all terms of the delayed sentence, has paid the fine. So with that, Ms. Russ, are you moving to dismiss this ticket with prejudice?
What exactly would that consist of with prejudice?
So if I dismissed it without prejudice, that means the ticket could come back again. If I dismiss it with prejudice, it means that the ticket cannot come back again.
Absolutely, with prejudice.
All right, dismissed without prejudice, you are all set, ma'am. Good luck to you with prejudice.
Okay. Now I do have a question, Judge. I recently had a background check for a federal position that I was applying for, and this showed up negatively on that background check. Is there anything that I can get from you today informally that I can provide to them to show that this matter has been satisfied?
So if you wait a little bit.
I do it right now.
Oh, okay, they're gonna do it now, and then you should be able to go online. We're gonna enter it now because it's being dismissed with prejudice. So
Okay.
You go online, you should be able to show proof that it's been dismissed.
Okay, now when you say go online, do I go to the 36th District website, or is this something I can get in my email?
You can go to the 36th District Court website. You can look up your name, or you can also look up the ticket number. You want the ticket number?
Yeah.
You as in under 6292852.
Thank you so much. And just a question. I mean, if you don't have an answer, it's okay. But do you have any suggestions on how I can communicate this? Because I didn't put it on my background check. Honestly, I didn't think it would, because since I had paid the fine, I didn't think that it was going to be something that showed up negatively. Do you have any suggestions on what I can share with them about why or how to move forward from here with this?
No, I'm not sure, because what happens is it showed up because technically you did do a plea, but it's what's called a plea under advisement. So it was held under advisement. And so now it's being dismissed. So
Because of the delays and it'll be a no contest.
no, it's not a no contest.
It should be.
It's dismissed now, but it hadn't been dismissed when they searched during that 3-month period. So you can, so you wouldn't have a record. So I would just.
So if they ran it again, technically, once this is in the system, it shouldn't show up.
I wouldn't think so, but if it does show up, it will show up as a dismissal.
Right, yeah, it'll show up as.
It's gonna show up as a dismissal.
Okay.
So they may see. Let me ask you. So this young lady, she did a plea under advisement, and she just and I'm speaking to the prosecutor, Ms. Russ.
Thank you. Okay.
She's complied with the under advisement, so it's being dismissed with prejudice. She was applying for a job, and during this 3-month period, it showed up. And so now she wants to show, obviously she shows them that, hey, it's been dismissed.
Right.
But how, is there any way that she can, I don't know, say?
Well, she
can show them that it's being dismissed, but I guess
the ROA would show dismissed.
right, it's still gonna show dismissed,
Right.
but it's not gonna be like, it never happened.
Right, they know about it now. Right, it's just gonna show dismissed.
It's just gonna show that it's been dismissed.
well, it's not gonna go on record.
No, she's not gonna have it's not gonna go, so it's gonna show up as a dismissal, but you don't have a record.
Okay, I'm just worried because as far as they're concerned, it seems like I was trying to be deceptive by not listing it initially because I knew once we had this hearing that everything was supposed to be cleared up and I paid the fine. So now I'm just trying to figure out, they want to know why I didn't mention it beforehand. Exactly. And I just don't want it to reflect negatively and disqualify me from the opportunity.
I would honestly, I would just explain to them what you thought, because you knew that if you did A, B, and C, it would be dismissed. You knew that you were going to do that, so you knew it was going to be dismissed, and you felt there was no need to disclose it. But I would just, I would just be honest with them. That's what I would do.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
And I mean, because it's not, you don't have a record. So
Okay.
yeah, that's what I would do. And
Okay.
they would understand that, because I mean, I would just say that you weren't trying to be deceitful. You knew it was going to be dismissed. So that's why you didn't feel the need to disclose it. But
okay. Okay. Thank you. I just was curious. Now, in the future, if I'm getting a background check again, is this something that's going to show up negatively or at all for that matter?
it shouldn't, because it's being dismissed. Like I said, during the time when they searched, it hadn't been dismissed yet, but it's dismissed today.
Okay. Okay. Excellent. And if I wanted to get the ROA, I should probably wait until next week, right?
No, you should be able to.
Yeah, she's in about 5 minutes.
In about 5 minutes, you should be able to look it up.
So
Okay. All right. Excellent. Thank you.
let us know.
Good luck to you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
No,
that's a no contest for you, please.
right.
Oh, you mean, yeah, you can do.
Yeah, that's what.
You can do no prosecute. Yeah, you can do that one.
Yeah, that's the one I always put in, one for delayed
Yeah,
sentence.
you can do that, because that means that the prosecutor's dismissing it.
Right.
So.
Okay.
You can do that.
That's how I was short. And so it won't be on the record.
Yeah, that means the prosecutor dismissed it. So, yeah. So, yeah, just be honest and.
Okay. Okay.
Say you weren't trying to be deceitful. You knew it was going to be dismissed. So.
Yeah. Okay.
But
I appreciate it.
And you can let them know you didn't know that it was going to show up, because you knew it was going to be dismissed. You didn't know that it was going to show up on your record for this search.
And it's already closed.
And it's closed out now. I would just stress to them that it has been dismissed and it's closed up. That's what I would tell them.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. I'm just taking notes here, what to put in my email. Okay. Thank you so much, Judge.
You're good luck, Ms. Russ.
All right. Thank you, Sam. You have a good weekend. Am I all set?